Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you guys are well. So you guys, for today's video I'm about to share with you what I have picked up at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. As you can see, I have quite a bit to share with you. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Now you guys, okay guys, so let's start. I'll start with this Marc Jacobs set. So it has a mini size of mascara and mini size of eyeliner. I really like this mascara a lot, you guys. This was for only $8.99. I highly recommend it if you find it. I couldn't find the actual palette from this collection. I want to buy it for me, so I hope I find it soon in the future. And also you guys, from NARS I have grabbed this blush. It is in the shade Super Orgasm. This is so gorgeous. I love the formula, and the shade is very pretty. NARS blushes are always for $12.99. And you guys, I have grabbed this setting mist from Becca. This is very nice. I like the nozzle on it, and also it really makes my makeup last longer. And I have dry skin. I like it on my dry skin. It was for $9.99. Then I grabbed this foundation brush from brand Pretty Vulgar. This is a very recent find, you guys. You'll see this soon in my upcoming new makeup finds of TJ Maxx and Marshalls. It was for only $5.99, and that's how the brush looks like. This is pretty nice, and I love the bristles, very soft. I have used it once and I really like it a lot. $5.99 is great, you guys, if you find it. I grabbed this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Duo. I love this mascara. This is one of my favorite drugstore mascara when I find it at Marshalls for only $5.99. So you get two of these. I do feel that, you guys, $5.99 is great for these. This is a very gorgeous mascara. I highly recommend it if you have not tried it. So yes, I have grabbed this, and then I have grabbed two of these plump and defined lip liners from Buxom. These were for only $3.99. And I grabbed them in these two different shades. It comes with this sort of lip brush. Very nice, you guys, and $3.99 is unreal for this. And you guys, I have also grabbed this Zodiac BH Cosmetics palette. This is beautiful. Look at the shades, you guys. It's gorgeous, and I'm so surprised to see the price tag for this. Only $8.99 at TJ Maxx. I highly recommend it if you find it, because this palette is beautiful. The formula is on point, and I love the packaging. Everything is gorgeous about this palette. It comes with a mirror. Very nice. Also, I have grabbed this MAC Glow Play Blush in the shade Cheer Up. These are always for $12.99 at TJ Maxx. And from Smashbox sets, I have picked up this for me. So it has two primers and set and refresh setting mist as well, primer water. I have not used this yet, you guys, but I'm excited. It was actually on markdown. It was for only $13 at Marshalls. And you guys, this Jouer Making Magic eyeshadow palette gift set is gorgeous. I have shared this with you in my previous haul, but I wanted to remind you guys, if you find it at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I highly recommend it. The formula on this one is unreal, and the shades are gorgeous. Let me show you. So that's how the shades looks like, you guys. This is beautiful. I highly recommend it if you find it, because it's super cheap at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I have also picked up this Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer, you guys. I highly recommend this product. I already have it in my collection, and when I see this at TJ Maxx for $5.99, I grabbed one more backup. This is amazing, you guys. And also, you guys, from clearance section, I have grabbed this for me. This is Cake Pops from Benefit. You cannot believe how cheap it was. I grabbed it for only $3, you guys. And the best part was it was sealed and in perfect condition. I really love these, but it doesn't smell like mango, cherry or watermelon, you guys. It is actually fragrance free, but I love the formula. It's really nice, and for 3 it's incredible, you guys. And from Lime Crime Velveteens, I have grabbed this lip liner. This is really pretty as well and very very affordable for only $3.99, you guys. And this formula is very long lasting but a little bit drying on my lips, but for $3.99 I definitely recommend it. It's gorgeous. And also I have grabbed one more piece of this Marc Jacobs concealer and touch up stick, because it was on markdown, you guys, and it was sealed as well, so I grabbed it for me, one more piece. I already have it. When it was new at TJ Maxx, I buy it for $9.99, but right now it was marked down for only 3. And also I have picked up this liquid eyeshadow from Marc Jacobs for only 2, and that's how the shade is. Very gorgeous. The formula is on point and it was also sealed and in perfect condition, you guys, so I have grabbed this. From Julep, I have picked up this waterproof pimple patches. How cute these looks, you guys. These were so affordable. So you get 36 ultra thin day patches and 36 night patches as well. These were for only $3.99, you guys. And also I have grabbed this Julep The Works waterproof brow pencil and tinted fiber gel. So this is kind of like all-in-one product. Mine is in the shade medium brown. This was for only $2.99. How affordable it is. And you get spoolie and this spoolie eyebrow product and also a pencil. Let me show you guys. And you guys, I also did found this Flawless Body razor marked down for 8. These are usually for $14.99 at TJ Maxx, and I love this brand. I already have these 3 tools from this brand. So this is for face, and this one is for eyebrows, and then this vibrator is for, you know, massage. It has that very good stone attached to it. Really love it a lot, you guys. And this brand is amazing, painless, and I don't see my hair growing fast after using it. So yes, you can give it a try if you want to. And this brand is really nice as well. Sells at Sephora. So I purchased this tinted moisturizer SPF 30 because you guys, I'm all the time driving in the sun, so I needed this in my life. It was so cheap at TJ Maxx for only $5.99. And mine is in the shade light, but I'm trying to find in the shade medium because I really like this formula. It is amazing and this brand is very nice, and $5.99 is great for this. You guys, I did pick up this e.l.f.'s Dewy Setting Mist. I have heard great things about it, but honestly I didn't like it that much. It's okay, but not my ultimate favorite. It was for only $3.99. Alright you guys, so this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Please let me know if you enjoy watching these. I would love to do it more often here on my channel, even though I'm trying to be nice and not buying a lot of makeup, but still I thought it's fun to share with you what I have grabbed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.